The holiday season is a magical time filled with joy, laughter, and the aroma of delicious food. Imagine your family gathered around a beautifully decorated table, the centerpiece being a perfectly cooked prime rib. It's a dish that speaks of celebration and togetherness. There's something incredibly special about preparing a prime rib for the holidays. It's a dish that not only impresses but also brings a sense of accomplishment to the cook. Before we start cooking, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. Having everything ready makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Here's a detailed list for the prime rib, horseradish sauce, and au jus. For the prime rib, 1 standing rib roast, 6 to 7 pounds, well marbled, 4 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary, chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, and black pepper to taste. For the horseradish sauce, 1 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup prepared horseradish, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon white wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. For the au jus, drippings from the roast, 2 cups beef broth, 1/2 cup red wine, optional, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Having these ingredients on hand ensures you won't be scrambling to find something last minute. It's all about preparation and making the cooking experience as enjoyable as possible. With these ingredients, you're fully equipped to make a prime rib that not only tastes incredible, but also looks stunning on your holiday table. So, let's move on to the next step, preparing and seasoning the prime rib. The first step in creating a mouth-watering prime rib is preparing and seasoning the meat. Start by taking your standing rib roast out of the refrigerator and letting it come to room temperature. While the roast is warming up, prepare your seasoning mix. Combine minced garlic, chopped rosemary, thyme, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Mix until it forms a fragrant paste. Pat the roast dry with paper towels. Rub the seasoning paste all over the roast. This step is crucial for a flavorful crust. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting a prime rib to perfection is all about temperature control and timing. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Start roasting at high heat for 15 minutes to sear the outside. Then, reduce the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a meat thermometer to check for 120 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Let it rest under foil for 20 minutes before carving. This ensures every slice is juicy and flavorful. While your prime rib is resting, you can prepare the horseradish sauce. This creamy, tangy sauce is the perfect accompaniment to the rich, savory flavors of the prime rib. It's quick and easy to make, adding an extra layer of deliciousness to your holiday meal. In a medium bowl, combine the sour cream, prepared horseradish, Dijon mustard, and white wine vinegar. Stir until well blended. Taste the sauce and add salt and pepper as needed. If you prefer a stronger horseradish flavor, feel free to add more horseradish to suit your taste. Once the sauce is well mixed, transfer it to a serving bowl and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a more cohesive and delicious sauce. The horseradish sauce can be made a day in advance, saving you time on the day of your holiday feast. Just be sure to give it a good stir before serving. Now that your sauce is ready, let's move on to making the au jus. Creating a delicious au jus. Au jus is a savory sauce made from roast drippings. It adds depth of flavor to prime rib, essential for a holiday meal. Here's how to make a delicious au jus. Pour drippings into a fat separator. Remove excess fat, leaving flavorful juices. Combine drippings, beef broth, red wine, and Worcestershire sauce. Simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Taste and season with salt and pepper. Transfer to a gravy boat or serving bowl. Section 7, Timing and Temperature Tips. Achieving the perfect prime rib is all about timing and temperature. Use a reliable meat thermometer. For medium rare, aim for 120 degrees Fahrenheit. For medium, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove it from the oven a little early. Let it rest to redistribute juices. Don't rush the process. The result will be a stunning centerpiece. Section 8, Serving Suggestions and Presentation. Presentation is key when it comes to serving your holiday prime rib. Start by carving the roast into thick slices. Use a sharp carving knife and slice against the grain for the most tender pieces. Arrange the slices on a large platter, fanning them out for a beautiful display. Garnish the platter with fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme. This not only adds a pop of color, but also enhances the flavors of the dish. Place small bowls of horseradish, sauce, and au jus on the side, allowing guests to help themselves. Consider serving your prime rib with classic holiday sides like roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, and Yorkshire pudding. These sides complement the rich flavors of the meat and create a well-rounded meal. Section 9, Final Encouraging Notes. Congratulations! You've made it through the steps to create the ultimate holiday prime rib. This dish is a true labor of love, and your effort will surely be appreciated by all who gather around your table. Remember, the key to a successful prime rib is preparation, patience, and a lot of holiday spirit. Don't be afraid to make this recipe your own. Adjust the seasonings to your liking, try different side dishes, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Cooking for loved ones is one of the greatest joys, especially during the holiday season. As you carve into your perfectly cooked prime rib, take a moment to savor the accomplishment. You've created something truly special. Here's to a holiday filled with delicious food, cherished memories, and the warmth of loved ones. Happy cooking and happy holidays.